Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix your payment method was declined on App Store. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad and when you want to purchase any app on your App Store and facing this type of issue again and again and not be able to purchase, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back, scroll it below, click on general, and guys, from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. After doing this, you have to go back on your home screen in your settings and you have to open your Apple ID. After this, you have to click on payment and shipping, and guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds, and after this you have to check your payment method. Here simply you have to delete your old payment method and add a new payment method. And guys, after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to check your bank balance. If you have enough balance on your bank account, you have to added any fund. And guys, after this you will be able to buy any game or app on your iPhone or iPad. And guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to check your expiry date of your debit or credit card. If your debit or credit card is expired, you have to change your debit or credit card and you have to enable online or international transaction on your card. And guys, after doing all these settings, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open an internet browser. And guys, after this, here you need to search support.apple.com, official website of Apple Support, and you have to wait. From here you have to select your gadget. If you're using iPad, you have to open iPad, and if you're using iPhone, you have to select that one, and you have to scroll it down, click on get support, and guys, you have to wait for some seconds. And now you will see here the option of subscriptions and purchases. You have to click on this, and from here you can see the option of unable to purchase, and now you have to click on continue. After this you need to scroll down, click on call us, and guys, you have to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.